Alright, here we go. Day 2, let's see what's inside. Alright, it's April 28th, Sunday. We're here at SMX for Collectors Fest. It actually is kind of affordable. So yeah, we're gonna go in and see what's nearby. That's always the thing here sa mga ganito anyway. Merch. I'm looking for Warhammer stuff, dinosaur stuff, polo stuff, and we'll see. Alright, let's go. So, they're having some sort of cosplay show. Oh, that's cute. That's adorable. Okay, and then more cosplay stuff. So, here are the cosplays. Their stamp was an amusing ultraviolet light thing. Now we're gonna go around and see what we see. Okay, what are these? Custom made figures, 3D print stuff, watches. Okay. What are these? Custom figures. So it's a lot of customized figures. Okay. Around, we're probably running out of. Oh, okay, here are the merch. I'm gonna take it some time looking at the merch. Let's go around muna. We have time. Let's go around muna. Cups, mugs, figures. Wow. AK paints. Okay, we're in business. Okay, lots of these, so yeah, we'll have some time looking later. Ayan, now, there's an AK paint. Okay. Play. I know what that is. Some stuff. Oh, they got flash up on shit. No. I don't think so, but yeah, no. Doon ba for spin? Food section. Okay, we're in the vintage. Ooh, what are these? 3D printed stuff. Matchbox, Hot Wheels stuff, toys, shawarma, food. Yeah, this is where I'm at the vintage toy section. We will look later. For now, cursory gog. That's a big example. Alright, coming back for that gog later. Okay. Oops. Going around, cool looking sword, Pokemon figures, dinosaurs. I'm interested in that Carnotaurus. Looks like a Jurassic World Carnotaurus. Cosplayers are here in this area. Okay, some cool Dragon Ball we can do there. Michael Jackson. Or Hot Wheels. As a stage. Okay.
Doesn't have to break the bank. We understand the need for the hobby and Dick's Pack is here to elevate the growing hobby world together.
That looks like a humanoid. We have not passed here yet. There is a lot.
Because they have a premium value to
talaga.
High prices and long lead times of existing grading companies
Okay.
have always been a disadvantage of flagship.
Stickers, more toys, lots of toy cars here. There's probably some sort of Philippine Society of Matchbox Hot Wheels collectors or something. Funko Pops. Okay, so go around here. Funko Pops. What else? Okay, more Funko Pops. Okay, go around. Going over to the other side. People are playing something. What is this? I don't recognize. Marabox. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's go around here. Okay. What's okay? I have no idea. Vintage stuff, toys, cards, wooden skeet. Cards. Joint Tribe. Comics. Cards. Funko Pops. Parades. Anime figs, which we'll be looking at later. Raffle thing. Haven't seen anything yet for me, but oh, there's a Peko Nendo. There's a Peko Nendo. We will be looking later. For now, we have to walk around. I'll be spending some time here. I need an ATM soon. Ooh, more cards. A lot of cards. Stuffed toys. Ooh, these are Disney Infinity figs, I think. Huh? Cool. Comics. The reprinting. Fine. There are a lot of Hot Wheels. There's a lot of Hot Wheels. I'm gonna be going through these later. There's a share in there. I can spot you out of nowhere. Evil bitch. You. See? One Piece figs. Oops. More toy cars. Okay, toy cards. That's the stage. What is this? Ooh, figures. Star Wars figs. Playmobil stuff, essentially. What is this? Etsy type things. There's a Luffy in the back. Can't miss it. Okay, we'll be looking at the Gunpla shop later. Food. Let's go around to the side so that we can end filming. Takoyaki, steak, something. I'll be checking that out later. Probably overpriced. I'll just go out and eat. For now, this is the outside side. Outer side. Edge. Okay, magic cards. We'll be looking at those later. I think we're in the cosplayer guest section or something. Which means we gotta get in this area because there's gonna be a lot of people here. Ooh, let's see. I have some of these. It's not a foil. Of course, LLP3 is here. And I don't know what this is. body spray or something. I guess that's needed by a lot of people here. I've come in contact with. And that's the exit. Okay, that's the exit. There's some outside stuff sa labas, which we'll check later. But for now, let's go back in. Oh, it's 8 p.m. closing. That was okay. That was okay. Bought some shit. Old comics. Bunch of other things. What did I buy? Old comics. Paint, actually. There you go. That was okay. Let's go get some food. Food court or something. And I didn't even see what was downstairs, but I'm curious. Let's go take a look. So apparently at the same time there was a Go Time Bank thing sa baba. Probably should have checked that out. Maybe they're still open. Let's see. I'll check it out. It's Go Time. It's in the market for some different digital wallet shit these days. Let's try it out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.